Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a Gmail account, both on your computer and on your phone. By the end of this video, you'll have your own Gmail account ready to use for emails, YouTube, and all Google services. Let's get started. How to open a Gmail account on PC, computer, or laptop. Open your web browser Chrome, Firefox, Edge, etc. Go to www.gmail.com. Click on Create Account. Choose for myself if personal or for my business. Fill in the form, first name and last name username. This will be your email address. For example at gmail.com password and confirm password. Click Next. Enter your phone number for account security. You'll receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the code to verify. Add recovery email optional, date of birth, and gender. Accept Google's terms and conditions. Done. You now have a Gmail account on PC.